G'day guys, I'm Elisha from Chasin Clean Coast. So this little video I've put together so you can be a more savvy traveler when you're out there in this big beautiful world that we live in. Enjoy! Visualize, connect and plan. So it all comes from an idea of where you want to go. You've probably seen it on social media, you've seen it on Getaway or one of those TV shows. The best thing is to do some research and then go to those accounts that you've been following and reach out to them. If they've been there, 9 times out of 10, they're going to be more than happy to share their tips and tricks for that particular country, their favorite restaurant, place to stay, where to go, who to see. Or, of course, you can always message Chasin Clean Coast and I will help you out. When you're on holiday, try and travel differently. You can walk. You could even hire a car. Plastic-free toiletries. Now this is not only going to save you dollars, it's less stuff, and you're going to be helping the planet. Some of my favorites are the eco-friendly toothbrush and toothpaste, your shampoo bar with free face scrub, and of course, don't go anywhere without your plastic-free, reef-safe sunscreen. Now when you're going to somewhere that you really don't want to miss out on the best accommodation, one that suits your needs and your budget, you can jump on booking.com and book free cancellation rooms. These are great. If you change your mind, you cancel for free. Night. Pack light. No one needs 42 jumpers, 10 scarves and 3 hats for a 2-week holiday. Trust me, especially if you're going to a warm country, you can buy it over there. Pack light, it's easy for you, it's easy for the poor guy who's taking it on and off buses and planes, and it's actually going to save you money because the more you bring, the more you have to pay in luggage fees. A great money-saving trip when you travel is do your own washing. Bit of soap, bit of water, in the shower, in the sink, hang it up on your balcony, Bob's your uncle. Going local ensures that you get the best out of your holiday. Hey guys, where's the best place to eat? Cool! Put the environment first. Support local organisations that are planting trees, doing beach cleanups, helping with communities, and eat a plant-based diet. Now this is a bit of a boring one, but it's very important that when you go traveling that you book travel insurance. You're covered, your things are covered, and when stuff goes wrong, just give them a call. So folks, there's some of my tips to be a more savvy traveller. Let's get chasing!